Hello my dear friends, so welcome again to my channel here. So at first I'd like to welcome you all, and so my dear friends, today I'm going to visit a nearby place here. So it's one of the most known place in our area here, and especially the Indian pilgrims, whenever they come, they do visit this place. It's ISKCON Nepal, ISKCON Kathmandu. So you can see here backside. So there it is written ISKCON, right? Yeah, this one, right? It's ISKCON Nepal written here. So today I'll be visiting this place and showing you guys what is inside. So it says that gate number 8 gate 3, that means we should use gate number 2. So everything written here is in Nepali. We will find something in English also, so let's see, and let's go. Come on my dear friends, I am going to gate number 2, ISKCON Nepal. So we can see here, I'd like to show you, this is we have a river here, small river. In winter season it becomes a very big, so we can see some maize being planted in the river. Nice to see. So this is the Vishnumati river here, and that is the pool for bridge for gate number 1. So here we are in gate number 2 right now. So I'm going inside. So my dear friends, right now I am here inside ISKCON Nepal gate number 2. So we have one security guard. He is a very old person. He is working here since very long time, almost like 25 years. Okay, he says that it's already 20 years he has been working here. So we salute for him. Way to temple. So this means we cannot go from here. So we should take this way. Okay, so it's a parking lot here. So you can see, I wanna be quick. So, oh nice. So there are some big personalities, pictures being hung in the walls. So my dear friends, for your information, so this is the parking. Every Saturday they have a very big festival here, Saturday Feast Festival. So for that many people come, and this side all the motorcycles are parked, whereas all the 4-wheelers and other vehicles are parked in this side. So if you come to this place and if you come with a bike, park this side. If you have a 4-wheeler, park this side. This is the public washroom here for both gents and ladies, and this is the BBT. BBT is called Bhakti Vedanta Book Trust, where all the spiritual books and magazines are written, edited and published here in ISKCON Nepal. And you can see this one, this is the different section of offices in ISKCON Nepal here. So we can see here a board is written there, ISKCON Nepal. So this is the reception here on this ISKCON. Okay, this is the reception for the office. So let's go forward now. Whenever we go for a visit, our tummy makes us feel hungry, right? So my dear friends, you can see backside this one, it's called Govinda's. Govinda is a restaurant, it's not a name of a person here. So Govinda restaurant is here, where you can find very good and quality product fast food items, as well as ordered. You can order like whatever you want. So it's a Govinda restaurant here. So it's closed right now because of the corona. So I will show you from outside. As you can see, it's so much well managed here. So people who come from outside to eat here, they can see how much hygiene they are maintaining here in this kitchen. And there far there, you can see the tables are managed there. So people can come and sit in the table there, right? And they can order. So actually it's raining here, not so hard, but soft rain going on here. So small bamboo forest. I love this place very much. And you guys gonna. Now I'm at the middle ground of ISKCON Nepal. So one of our devotees here, he said Hare Krishna to me. So now you can see this is the Govardhan in ISKCON Nepal. So here we can see a very beautiful deity of Sri Krishna with Gopa and Gopis. He is carrying this big Govardhan hill in his left hand little finger. So it's a very nice place here. You will like it very much if you come here. And I'd like to invite all of you to this place to come and visit it once. So now I am here in this place. It's called Kaliya Daha here. It's a very beautiful statue of Kaliya being made here. So let me zoom if it is possible. I don't know whether it's not zoomable. So you can see here. I will take you inside also. It's so nice and beautiful here. As you can see. So let me go inside. We have a bench here. So I'm going to jump it. It's a bit hard for me to jump this alone because I had to take one phone in my hand, right? Sorry, my English is not that much good as you people, so just manage it. So let me go inside. I will show you here. Okay? You have seen me, my face all the time, so let me show you. I'm taking these pictures in a portrait mode so that you can see nicely, my friends. So you can see this is the Kaliya Daha, the image of Kaliya and the Lord Sri Krishna who did demolish the evil serpent Kaliya. So here like the Krishna is dancing upon Kaliya. The two wife of Kaliya is praying to Lord Krishna, whereas Nanda Maharaj, Yashoda Maiya and other gopis, it's all the pastime of Lord Sri Krishna from Krishna Lila. So they are all here. It's all the images made out. And it's a very beautiful garden here, we can see. So we can see here Lord Sri Krishna and Radharani with the 8 Sakhis. They are here. It's so nice. You can see here. It looks so beautiful. It looks very much real. See? So much outside. You can see my specs, it's all being filled up with water. So I came to the most important part of this place. It's actually a temple of Radha Krishna. So I am going inside the temple to show you guys what is inside. So I'm going inside now. So looks pretty good here. Deity of the founder of ISKCON Nepal. His name he is the founder of Acharya of ISKCON Nepal. His Divine Grace Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So it is statue here. PM. They have bhajan and kirtan program here in the temple. Along with them, so many devotees they come here to enjoy the kirtan. This is the main deity here. Their name is Radha Govinda Hari. So along with them, there are two other deities here. So this side we can see. The black one is Jagannath, yellow one is Subhadra, and white one is Baladev. So all the deity are called Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. So similarly on this side you can see the two deities with both the hands upward. So they are Gaur Nitai. So you can see how beautiful the deities are here. So here are some more few pictures of the deities. Nrsimha Devi is there, Panchatattva is there. This one is Giriraj Maharaj from Govardhan. This is a small Gaur Nitai deity here. And this is a Guru Parampara deity. And there is the deity of Radha Krishna in small one. You can see the Saligram Sila. And then Lakshmi Devi is here. And Tulsi Maharaj. Govardhan. And next time I will be showing you many things from here. So I hope you like my videos, you enjoy it. So don't forget to like and comment. I'll come to you guys in the next video. Enjoy.